Okay, my lovelies, in this bowl I have ground pork and ground grass-fed beef. That's Italian seasoning I use. You can use fresh parsley, but I cut corners today because I wanted to get home and make dinner because I didn't get home till late. And that is salt, Himalayan salt, and that is garlic powder, and then that's pepper. And then I'm gonna mix all this in with 3 eggs sitting right there. I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese in there. Give me a second, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. And that's my Parmesan cheese, and I got 3 eggs. And my secret ingredient, I'm gonna show you next. Okay, my lovelies, and instead of using breadcrumbs, I'm using some pork rinds. And I'm gonna take these, and I am going to crush them. And once I crush them, I put them in a plastic Ziploc bag. Once I crush them all, I'm gonna put it right in this mixture. I'm gonna blend it all up. And this is what it should resemble after you crush them. I'm gonna put this in my meat mixture, and I'm going to make my meatball. Okay, my lovelies. So that one batch made 3, 6, 9, 12 meatballs. And this is how you make a perfect meatball. Get you a nice little ice cream scooper, and it makes perfect meatballs. I'm gonna put these in the oven for 15 minutes at 375. And in this pot, my lovelies, I just have some onion and garlic rendering down. And I just pour my canned tomatoes, my canned sauce right up in there. Oh, those are tomatoes, so I gotta have to crush them. Forgot about that. And I'm gonna let this simmer for like about a good 20 minutes. Oh yeah. Okay, my lovelies. Now this is like a miracle of peppers. I love peppers in my sauce now. I buy that frozen from Trader Joe's, but they are just as good. I didn't add any spices yet. Now you can do this or you don't have to do it, but usually I have a veal bone or a beef bone, and I usually put it in my sauce, but I don't have any today, so I just cut up this chorizo sausage, and I'm gonna put it right in there. So as it's cooking, it's gonna flavor that sauce for some, and then I'm gonna season it after 20 minutes after it has simmered. Okay, there's my meatballs, and I'm gonna put them right in this sauce and let them simmer another 20 minutes. Yummy! And I'm gonna let this simmer for 20 minutes. Okay, here's my roasted garlic Parmesan broccoli. I put some turmeric and salt and pepper on it. And my roasted mushrooms. Yummy, yum, yum. Okay, my lovelies. Here's my meatballs. Nice, rich, thick soup. Yummy, yum, yum. Or sauce, excuse me. And there's my roasted Parmesan broccoli. And some mushrooms. And here, we're just gonna right there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I think I'm gonna get me a little bit more sauce on there. Oh yeah. Okay, so if you like this recipe, this is Bonnie from Keto Lifestyle 50 Plus, and we are ready to eat. Yummy, yum, yum. Have a great night. Oh, see, time is up. Bye-bye.